Okay, welcome back everybody. So the time has come that we need to make some headers for the mini rod. So we got our flanges, got our tubes, got the ends cut on the tubes, we got our gussets. So now what I need to do is I need to cut the long part of the header tube down so it's only like 9 inches tall. Because we need to make these things as light as we can, because we just need to be as light as we can. So I'm gonna start getting the tubes cut, and then we'll give them the bird. And we'll start setting them up on the fixture here, and start getting them tacked together. Then we probably will take them down and fit them on a tractor and make sure they look good. And once we do that, we'll probably bring them back down here and get the back purge all set up, and we'll get them all welded together. Here we go. Okay, so got the tube in the old Harbor Freight saw here. I got a stop set, so I'm going to cut 8 more of these, and we'll be ready to stack them up. Alright, so we got all the main tubes deburred and cut. I just use this to deburr the inside, just a carbide burr. Works really good, highly recommend. Use this to deburr the outside. You can also use one of these, but these are stainless tubes, and the burr just does a lot better work. Alright, so now we need to focus our attention on the flanges. The flanges, just in machining, they naturally they get bowed a little bit from just getting all the excess material off of them. They tend to bow. So we're going to put those in the press and get those straight, and then we'll be able to start welding these things together. Put this in there like that. Got a little bridge on there. The first one really good. I already did the first one. It's pretty good. So hopefully this comes out just as good. See how this looks. And a little bit more. Ooh, went too far. This one ain't going near as well as the first one. There you go. Good enough. Well, got it pretty straight. It's got a little air underneath it, but I just wanted to get it close. We will be bolting it to the fixture so that the fixture will hold it flat anyway, and when we weld it, it's going to move all around. So I just wanted to get it close to what it was, so that's why I did what I did. A little old press here. I don't even remember how much I gave for it, but I love this. This is probably my favorite piece of equipment I got. Just old school, cool, and heavy. So if you ever find one of these, get you one. You'll use it a lot more than you think. All right. So before we stack it all together, got one more obstacle I gotta take care of. So my tubes don't quite fit in the hole, and it's not because the hole is too small; it's because the tube is egg-shaped. So we're gonna go back over to the old handy press, and we're gonna make them more round so they fit in the fixture or in the flange. So here we go. All right, got all the tubes right over the press. I got my flange over here. I am going to see what I can do with these tubes. Move this around, just like that. I don't think it's going to take a whole lot to make them round again. Let's see what that does. There we go. Perfect. If I do that 8 more times now. Great. See if this goes any better. Oh yeah. All right. Okay, so here's my setup. I got this in a fixture. It sits at an angle that will match the cylinder head and also give it a little bit of lean out when it's on the tractor. So I got this board, this 90-degree board thing set square to the table. The tube is clamped square to that block. So only other thing I need to check is I need to lean it back 10 degrees. I believe I got it, I just need to check it. Once I got that, I got this clamped down and I got that clamped down and it's square to the board. I should be able to start putting tubes in and tacking them and leaning them back 10 degrees. So here we go. Well, there's one all tacked up. Looks pretty sick. I'm gonna get the other one tacked up, and then we'll go down and see if they'll fit on the tractor right. If the lean out's good, the lean back's good, we'll come back down here and we'll weld them all together tonight. Stay tuned. So I got the jig I got the first one done, all tacked together and put on the tractor, and it all works good. So I got the jig all set back up here. We gotta go the opposite direction because there's a left and a right header. So I'm gonna start stacking this all back up. We'll kind of go through it here. First one in, it's kind of a pain in the butt, but it works really good. Let's get in there. It's gonna sit against this plywood backstop. It's 9 degrees to the table. That makes all my math work out right for the angle of the heads. So that's like that. We'll get our 9-degree angle. I think I said 10 degree earlier on the video, but it's actually 9 degrees. Forgot to reset this real quick. That's at 9 degrees. Spacer a lot here. Come over here, make sure we got 9 degrees. Looks like 9 degrees. Square the backstop. Square in here. Put a clamp here, it'll tack. It's really important that the backstop remains in relation to the jig on same on both ends, because if not, you'll have crooked headers. Okay. Make sure it stayed at the right angle. Like it did. Okay. Now we'll just start putting the rest of the tubes in, and we'll use our gusset here to get it so they all line up, because they'll all remain the same angle. We can use this to hold it on. You gotta be careful when you put these tubes in, you don't want to move your jig. So get this in here. Let's take this eyeball level the top of the backstop. It all fit good. Clamp that one. They don't have to be perfect. You kind of adjust them around, but really little tack on it the first time through. Once you get all the header tubes on, you can kind of play around with this a little bit if you have to. Then you get them all sitting up. No more than 2 tacks to start out with. Next one. It starts getting easier the more tubes you stack them on. You can really get easily ate up and how perfect get these things, but the tubes, they all vary a little bit. All tubes are just a little bit different, so it's got to get as best you can. Then we can measure between the tubes. See if they're halfway close. Probably vary a little bit. It's more for looks and perfect. It's within 30 thousandths or so. Better for holding that strap on there. This is supposed to be 9.5 inches to the bottom to the table, so it matches the other one. So I'm just going to eyeball it up here real quick. Somebody can invent mind reading vice grips, that'd be great. I'll buy some. Tacking it on there. Put one tack on each of the center two tubes. And we're going to take the back stop off of it. Make sure it really looks good. And we'll continue on. it's going to go anywhere, so I'm going to pull the backstop off of it. Put on 900 clamps off of it. One looks a little funny, but it might just be my eyes. Let's look at it real quick. Maybe it's just an optical illusion. Easy to do on these headers. You can look at them all day long and you're like, no, I was off. It's not. So this one's off more here. Alright, here we go. Got it all tied together. I did have to adjust that front one just a little bit, but they turned out pretty good. The line really good. I don't see no big areas to be concerned about. So, I guess I'll get the outside gusset put on both of them. This one and that one. And we will get them welded up. Okay, all tied together 100%. They look good. I think we're ready to weld these things up finally. Got the old backflow purge set up. Because we're welding stainless to mild steel flange down there. This is all stainless up here. So let's see how it goes. Here we go. Okay, so I got both headers welded up. Turned out pretty decent. So I am now going to move on, and I want to go ahead and put some gussets in here. So I burned out a bunch of these little things today. I'm going to get them deburred and get them put on here. And what I did, I came over here and I just tacked it right here on the flange. And then I put a little stitch right here, like right in the center of the pipe. And I just took a hammer and I tapped the corners down and then just weld them on there like that. So I'll get them all at that point, then I'll pop it back off the fixture and go across here. And then I think we're done with the headers, believe it or not. They turned out pretty good. I kind of like them. They're short, they swoop out, and kind of have a little bit of a lean out on them. They look pretty good on the tractor. So might be a success if they don't fall off mid-pass and hit the back tire and blow up, flip over, go to the hospital. So that'd be bad. So, all right, here we go. here we go. All done. The only thing I might have to do is put EGT bungs in it, but I don't know exactly where I want to put them at yet. So we'll probably do, that's no big deal. We'll just stick those in there real quick when I figure out where I want them at. But there we go. Turned out pretty good, I feel like. Nice and light. They don't weigh much, which is good because on a mini rod, all the weight you can get. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.